Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video we're going to be talking about like Tesla cutting prices. First they started cutting prices on China for the Model 3 and for the Model Y, and they're going to be cutting prices on the Model X and S as well. As you can see here, well, not really, more like they're bringing back the standard range model for both the X and the S's. Here it says that as of right now, we really don't know if Tesla is going to be creating a new battery pack, or they're just going to do like a software lock on these standard range. But as far as we know, they're dropping about $10,000. For example, for the Model S here, $10,000 to $78,490. You can see it right here, and it will come with a lesser range, 85 miles less to be exact. And same thing for the Model X. The Model X come down to 320 miles range. So actually 269. Okay, so that's a big drop. But the price wise, they make it very affordable. You're in the 88,000, the 78,000 range. Okay, so I'm not sure if Tesla is doing this to compete with Lucid, because maybe a week and a half prior, Lucid decided to drop their prices as well too. That's right. You can see it right here. According to this article, Lucid, the new price is they drop it down from new price for the Air Grand Touring from $138,000 to $125,000. Looking at about $13,000 drop, and even $95,000 for the Air Touring, down from $107,000, and also the $82,000 for the lower end model, the Air Pure, $82,000 from $87,000. So, and as of right now, I went to the website and you could see that it says it's available in 2 weeks. As far as the money wise, you can see the 0 to 60 is 3.8 seconds, and the estimated range is 410, which is higher than Tesla. So we can go to the Model X let's say go Model S for instance. So with the standard range right here, we see that it's 320 miles, and 0 to 60 is 3.7, compared to Lucid, where 0 to 60 is 3.8, but the range is a lot higher. It's 410 miles. Okay, so we can look at the Model S as well too. The Model S, same thing, 78,000. So the price wise, it's going to be like close to very competitive. So it depending on your preference, whichever you guys want to, prefer, either Lucid or Tesla. Okay, and if the Plaid model is still the same, 108,000, and same thing for the Model X as well. For some reason, the Model X, the long range, it's higher than the Model S. Model S is only 88,000, but Model X is 98,000. I guess it's because it's a bigger vehicle, SUVs. But again, so if you're into the market for the Model S and X, you know what, and if you don't need that much of a range, saving $10,000 is not bad at all. And again, like I said, for the new battery pack, we're not sure if they're gonna create a new one or they're just gonna do a software lock on these batteries, which you're gonna have to wait until when it delivers next month. Okay, but other than that, thank you for watching, guys. If you guys have any questions, please leave a comment below. Other than that, take care, and I'll see you guys in the next video.